Come test drive the 2019 Mercedes GLA. The Mercedes GLA class offers the versatility of a hatchback, but with the power of a sports car. The exterior styling is aggressive and resembles that of the other Mercedes models. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, power liftgate, keyless entry, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, power passenger seat, remote engine start, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, keyless start, cruise control, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, rear defrost. Your new ride is just a phone call away.